Top 5 must-have best makeup brushes for flawless looks. Your makeup job is only as good as the tools you use to apply it, so some quality brushes are an important component in your arsenal of beauty products. They can ensure flawless, even coverage and help to conceal imperfections. The ones featured here come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and styles and are designed to help you achieve virtually any look you could dream up. Makeup brushes BS Mall Premium. Beaky Makeup Brushes 12 PCs Makeup Brush Set.
BS Mall Makeup Brush Set.
Alright, so here we go. The first thing I did was grab one of the flat top foundation brushes and decided to take that out for a spin. And I was really impressed because I noticed right away that I didn't have any brush hairs left behind on my face, which is pretty rare for a brush. Even nice brushes kind of leave hairs behind, but especially for a new brush. So I was surprised because this brush was so dense, but again, it was so well made that everything stayed together and it didn't leave anything behind. So I used the same brush and I went through and used some thicker, creamier products, and it didn't disturb any of the makeup underneath. So I really liked that. I really like the handles on these brushes. I don't feel them wiggling or wobbling or anything. They feel very expensive in my hand, so I really like them. Let's see. Next, I went in with some powders, see if
Foundation Makeup Brush Flat. DU Care Foundation Brush Flat.